Hi guys, today we have Finding Dory from 2016. There are 8 figurines in this set and it is a brand new set for season 2016-17. First we have Hank, the red octopus, and this is bag with ice. And he changes color. When it's low temperature he is more red, and when you put him near heat source or just hold him in your hands he is less red. I will just hold him like this, and for half a minute you will see what happens. You see how big is the difference. This is less red. And now I will show you entire octopus in low or less red. And you see how big is the difference. This almost is like an orange and not red. This is like a sprinkler. There is a hole right here. You must press its belly, then put inside water, then you release. Water comes right in, and then if you repeat that several times, you can sprinkle. Then we have 3 figurines that works in the same way. And also you can put one inside the other and work as one figurine. For every figurine there is a different paper, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and to click like button down below. Thank you all for watching, stay tuned and have a nice day.